Hello everyone, we are Group 2. Today we are talking about SDGs 7 and 13, Sustainable Energy and Climate Action. And first, I want to talk about what are the SDGs. SDGs is a short of the Sustainable Development Goals were created by UN in 2015. They consist of 17 key goals to transform our world. Our plan is including about universal appeal, interconnected, the progress in energy directly help climate action. And the final is urgency. Our energy choice today will determine our planet's future.
My name is Liang Yashen. I'm a BNE student. The Earth is continuing to get warmer, and the main reason is related to human activities. Factories, cars, and even the fire used for cooking at home release a large amount of greenhouse gases. Climate change can cause many problems, as it affects the ecosystem of the whole Earth. Changing climate can reduce crops and cause food shortage. Human health is also greatly affected. The main reason human activities harm the earth is the use of non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy will one day run out, and there will be energy shortage in the future. In addition, this use of energy produces greenhouse gases, which lead to global warming. Therefore, we should use more renewable energy to replace traditional energy and reduce the harm caused by human activities to the earth.
Next, let's talk about the cost of non-renewable energy. The first problem is resource security. Resources like coal and oil are limited. If we continue to overuse them, we may face energy shortages in the future, which could also affect the global economy. The second problem is high pollution. Burning fossil fuels produce large amounts of carbon dioxide and air pollution. This not only harms the environment but also threatens human health. To protect our plants, we need to use cleaner energy and take action now.
Next, let's talk about Taiwan's energy problem. Taiwan depends heavily on imported oil, so we are easily affected by changes in international situation. If we use more renewable energy, we can not only reduce damage to the earth, but also improve our country's safety.
我是101甲14516胡荣芬. Moving on to our transition toward green energy. Taiwan is aggressively expanding its renewable portfolio. Today, we'll focus on the two primary pillars of this strategy, solar and wind energy. First, let's look at slide 7, solar energy. Currently, solar power has become a cornerstone of our grid, accounting for over 20% of Taiwan's total installed capacity. This rapid growth is driven by the urgent need to decarbonize our high-tech industry. Science land is limited. Our strategy focuses on rooftop solar, utilizing the vast surface area of factory roof and schools. This allows us to generate zero-carbon electricity right where it's needed most. Turn to slide 8. We have wind energy. The Taiwan Strait is recognized as having some of the world's most consistent and powerful wind resources. We are harnessing this potential by building massive offshore wind farms. The scope of expansion is impressive. Wind power generation saw a staggering 66% increase in 2024 alone. A key advantage here is winter strength. while solar peaks in the summer. Wind is strongest during the winter months. This natural signature ensure a more stable and balanced renewable energy supply throughout the year. In conclusion, by combining the rooftop focus of solar with the offshore strength of wind, Taiwan is well on its way to creating a sustainable and resilient energy future.
I will introduce the final part of our presentation, which focuses on Taiwan's 2030 energy transition goals and the key strategies to achieve sustainable development. First, let's look at the Taiwan's 2030 power mix goal. The government plans to gradually reduce the use of coal and increase cleaner energy sources. According to the target, natural gas will provide about 50% of Taiwan's electricity, renewable energy will increase to 30%, and coal will be reduced to 20%. The transition is important because coal produces high carbon emission and contributes to air pollution. By reducing coal with cleaner energy, Taiwan hopes to reduce environmental impact while still maintaining a stable power supply for society and industry. Next, I would like to talk about three key strategic solutions. The first is investing in technology. Taiwan should continue funding research on energy storage systems and more efficient solar technology. Better storage systems can help solve the problem of unstable renewable energy supply. The second strategy is improved grid resilience. Since renewable energy sources such as solar and wind depend on weather conditions, Taiwan needs smarter and more flexible power grids to manage electricity more effectively and maintain energy stability. The third strategy is public education. Besides government policies and technological development, public participation is also important. People can contribute by saving energy in daily life, reducing waste, and supporting environmentally friendly policies. Finally, sustainable development is not only about energy transition, but also about creating a cleaner and better future for the next generation. As the United Nations 2030 Agenda says, it is a shared blueprint for peace and prosperity for people and planet. Thank you for listening.